Let us start our new topic for today, that is surface area and volumes. Surface area and volume. This is our chapter number 13 from your NCERT textbook, surface area and volume. See, this chapter is really very important in terms of marks also, because many questions you will see, and this chapter is having almost 5 to 6, I think 7 8 exercises. So that means it will contain more questions from the examination point of view also. So let us start with it. The first thing, we are having here the word in our chapter's name also, surface area. So if we are talking about area, that thing you already know, we have already studied in our last classes also, what is area. So can anyone want to define what is area? देखो area क्या होता है, if any closed figure is there and it is enclosing any surface. Okay, see, if I am drawing any closed figure of any shape, see, मैंने इस तरह से एक शेप ड्रॉ किया, दिस इज द क्लोज्ड फिगर. नाउ दिस क्लोज्ड फिगर इज हैविंग दिस सरफेस एनक्लोज्ड. इसके अंदर देखो एक सरफेस जो है एनक्लोज्ड रहेगा. एंड विच सरफेस इज इट? यू कैन सी दिस वन. दिस इज द एनक्लोज्ड पार्ट. ओके, सो वेन एवर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एरिया ना, यू विल से व्हाट? It is the enclosed part inside a closed figure. Area is what? Enclosed part. You will write here. It is the enclosed part in a closed figure. And closed figure, you know, we can have from made up of arc, made up of line segment, but it should be closed. See, we have discussed this thing in our last classes. हम पढ़ चुके हैं what is a open figure, what is a closed figure. ये सारी चीज़ें हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So whenever you will be discussing about area, someone asks you what is area, you can simply answer it that it is the enclosed part in a closed figure. जो भी ये enclosed part होता है ना, about the boundaries of a closed figure, that is area. Now when we come to the term surface area, जब हम surface area की बात करते हैं, so what is surface area? Now we talk about 3-dimensional shapes. See, when we are talking about area only na, we are talking about 2D, 2-dimensional, because see, I have done here, it is 2-dimensional, but when we will be talking about surface area, we talk about 3-dimensional shapes. Suppose you are having this kind of some box is there in which some gift is there for your friend. Okay, suppose this kind of box is there, you want to gift it to your friend, बट यू हैव टू रैप, है ना, हम लोग किसी को गिफ्ट देते हैं, देन वी रैप इट विद सम गोल्डन पेपर और समथिंग लाइक दैट ना. सो व्हाट पार्ट यू विल बी कवरिंग? कौन सा पार्ट तुम लोग कवर करोगे?
Its surface area.
Yes, you will cover its all surfaces. See, these sides, these surfaces, these parts which you see by their edges, this is what? This is the surface, and the area that occupies here is what? It is the surface area, na? So that is what you should understand between the difference between area and surface area. Surfaces are these parts of a 3-dimensional figure, and the how much they encloses is what? Their area. Okay, so we will be discussing about surface area of different kind of 3-dimensional figure here. हम अलग अलग टाइप की 3-dimensional figures के surface area की बात पहले करेंगे इसमें. So let us start with it. The first kind of 3-dimensional figure that we are having is cube. Now how you will define a cube? A cube is having what? What is the?
A 3-dimensional shape made up of squares.
Yes, you can say it, and all its length, breadth and height are equal. Okay, a 3-dimensional shape that is having all length, breadth and height equal is what? It is a cube. Suppose I am drawing a cube here, this one. Now just see, this cube is having all its length, breadth and height. See, in 7th or 6th standard maybe you have studied these things about the three-dimensional shapes, their vertices, their edges, their faces, है ना? See, you all know that how many faces it is having, how many edges it is having, how many vertices it is having. Okay, we will discuss about these things also. हम इनके बारे में भी discuss करेंगे. So when we are talking about a cube, see this edge, if I am taking this edge length, this edge breadth, this edge height, this edge breadth and this one edge height, you know in a cube all its length, breadth, height, तुम किसी भी तरह से उसको पलट के देखोगे ना, like your we play with one thing, I think it's cube, it is called, no?
Dice.
Yes,
Dice.
it's a dice. So that is also having the same length, breadth and height. So it is in which shape? वो किस shape में होती है? It is in cubical shape. So if I am taking one side of a cube as L, its all side will be L. You can take any variable to represent. You can represent it with A, with B, C, L. So if I am taking this one as L, that means this will also be L, this will also be L, this will also be L, this will also be L. So that means what? All the sides of the cube are equal. Now just see one thing. If I ask you how many faces a cube is having, कितने total face होते हैं एक cube के?
6.
Yes, it is having 6 faces. That's correct. How many edges it is having?
12.
It is having 12 edges. And how many vertices it is having? It is having 8 vertices. See, many of the students I know will be confusing in faces, edge and vertices. See, vertices are the corner points we talk about of any three-dimensional shape. If we are talking about, see, these are the corner points. These are called what? Vertices. And you can count. We are having 8 vertices here. Then edges are what? Edges are these line segments. These are the, in your room also, you must be sitting in a room, you can count. You can count in your room also how many edges are there. On the floor you can see, then at the top you can see, and at the corners you can see. You will see such line segments in your room also. So you will find that how many edges? It is 12 edges. That are, means edges are what? See, edges are the line segment joining the vertices. Vertices को जो join करके line segment बनती है वो क्या हैं? That are edges. And now what are the faces? Faces are what? Simply look at the wall of your room. That is the face we talk about. Okay, look at the floor, look at the top of the room. So that is we talk about as faces. Okay, so that means if I am doing here, I am taking this A, B, C, D only. If I am taking this A, B, C, D, suppose this A, B, C, D is looking like this. ऐसा दिख रहा है वो A, B, C, D. If I am naming A, B, C, D. This is one face of a cube I have taken. मैंने सिर्फ इस वाले क्यूब का यहाँ पे एक फेस लिया है, A, B, C, D. This one face of this cube. So if I am saying what shape is one face of a cube? अगर
Square.
it is a square shape. Yes, correct. है ना? If we are taking any one face of a cube, अगर हम किसी क्यूब के सिर्फ एक फेस की बात करते हैं ना, then it look like a square. Okay, वो एक square होता है. So that means what? If you are finding the area for only one face of a square, area of only one face of a square,
L square, sir.
so it will be L square. Is it correct? Because you know
Yeah.
that you have to find the area of this square. So square is what? Side into side. So that means if I am finding area of one face, sorry, of a cube, it is cube. Area of one face of a cube, एक face का area find out करना है, then we will be using this formula L square. Then how many faces we are having? We are having total 6 faces, na?
Six.
So, how to find area of total 6 faces?
6L square.
Yes,
6
it
L
will be
square, sir.
6L square. It will be 6L square, and you know what? This 6L square, this 6L square is what? This is the surface area. This is the total surface area. Why I am writing total surface? क्योंकि मैंने कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा है. I have added the top, bottom, all of its 4 sides, है ना? सबको मैंने ऐड किया है. So that means what? Total surface area I am talking about. So total surface area of cube, that is how much? 6L square. So this is the formula. See, there is no need to means ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको रट्टा मारना है. You should understand कि वो 6L square आता कहाँ से है. Sometimes you will see it is written that 6A square is the total surface area of a cube. You know what? This A is variable. In place of this A, I have taken this L. So there is no problem with that. So you can use L or A, but it will be 6L square. When you have to find out the total surface area, that will be 6L square. So this is the thing we are discussing about total surface. So you must be knowing how we find out the total surface area of a cube. Okay. Now you know what? We are having one more term, that is curved surface area. Curved surface area, or it is also known as lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. So what are these two terms, curved surface and lateral? See, both are same, meaning of the both the things. Curved use hoga ya lateral. Sometimes you will be seeing in question it will be written as find the curved surface area or find the lateral surface area. Both are the same thing, but ये है क्या? Just see, whenever we are finding the curved surface or lateral surface area of any solid figure ना, जब भी हम find out करते हैं, we ignore its top and bottom. हम उसके top को और bottom को क्या कर देते हैं? Ignore कर देते हैं. Means we doesn't find the area of the top, area of the bottom. So that means we will be finding the area of the walls only. Okay, so if I am talking about curved surface
4L
area
square.
of a cube, अगर हम cube का find out करेंगे, then it will be what? How much it will
4L
be?
square.
Yes, it
4L
will
square.
be 4L square. Why it is 4L square? Because you know, for one wall we are having L square. एक wall के लिए L square है. That means we are having here 4 walls. So 4 walls के लिए how much we will be finding? It will be 4L square. Okay. So just you need to remember one thing. You have to remember this thing, that the total surface area includes the top and bottom also. The curved surface area includes only the walls. It doesn't include the top and bottom. So this thing is very important. बहुत important है ये, क्योंकि in your question you have to identify whether you are going to find total surface area or curved surface area. अच्छा, अब एक चीज़ देखो, if I am writing a question for you, मैं यहाँ पे ना एक क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ, just try to solve it. A room having cubical shape is having dimension 10 meter. A person want to paint it at rupees 300 per meter square. So find the cost. Okay, if this is the question for you, a room having cubical shape, that means एक cube shape में हमारे पास एक room है, means its all length, breadth and height are equal. Okay, suppose I am drawing this room for you here. This kind of room we are having. Okay, this room is having all of its length, breadth and height equal. Everything is equal, and a person wants to paint on the room, है ना, उसको पेंट करना है. So this is the rate given, then find the cost. How much cost, how much he have to pay to paint on it. So what we will be finding out? We should be finding total surface area or curved surface area. In question it is not clearly mentioned that where you are painting, but you should have that common understanding, है ना. वो तुम लोगों को थोड़ा सा सोचना है that if you are doing the paint ना, you will be painting its what, its four walls and ceiling also, that means top. Okay, so that means you will be finding the area to paint, area to be painted. That thing you will be finding out. So this is correct, you all have answered. So it will be 5L square. I am using 5L square. Why? See, 4L square, I am using that curved surface area for walls, for
It will be
all four walls,
1,50,000.
and 1L square for ceiling. That means total I will be finding out for 5L square. So it will be how much? So area to be painted, that will be 5 into 10 into 10. It will be 500 meter square, and you can find the cost very easily now. Cost will be area multiplied by
1,50,000.
so that means 300 multiplied by 500, and it will be 5 3 ja 15. So 1,50,000, that much he has to pay to paint his room on 4 walls and ceiling. ओके तो वो 4 वॉल्स एंड सीलिंग पे दोनों पे करेगा. सो समटाइम्स इन क्वेश्चन इट विल नॉट बी क्लियरली मेंशन्ड, सो दैट्स वेयर यू नीड टू मीन्स यूज योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉमन सेंस दैट वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू पेंट इट. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट फिगर. हम अपनी दूसरी फिगर की बात करते हैं.
Excuse me, sir.
और cuboid, second figure. We will be discussing about cuboid. Now a cuboid is what? It is also a solid dimensional figure, 3-dimensional figure, but it is having the length and breadth, height unequal. Okay, like in we have studied in cube, all the sides are equal, but in cuboid you will find out something like that. See this one, like your textbook is having the shape, your notebook, your textbook, your geometry box, है ना, all these you are having ना. Your notebook you can see, your geometry book you can see, your iPhone, your means any phone you are having, all these are having the shape of cuboid. उन सब की shape जो होती है ना, you will find out it as cuboid because they are having some length, उनके पास कुछ length होती है, they are having some breadth, they are having some height, है ना. तो that means all these shape, your laptop, any there are many examples nearby you which are having the shape of a cuboid, है ना. बहुत सारी shapes होती हैं cuboidal shape में. So like your almirah. So
Sir,
whenever we are finding the surface area of a cuboid, again in cuboid, देखो cuboid की केस में भी we are having two things. One is CSC. Now you must be understanding the meaning of C here, that is curved. Okay, है ना. Sometimes you will see LSA written. LSA भी हो सकता है, CSA, both are same thing, don't confuse. So lateral surface or curved surface, and one you will be seeing is TSA, total surface area. Okay, so that means what? अच्छा, अब एक चीज सोचते हैं. If only we have to find the curved surface area, अगर हम लोगों को सिर्फ CSA find out करना है, just see one thing. I will be mentioning this one, this first one, just see this A, B, C, D. This rectangle, because you know in cuboid you will find out a rectangle always. So if you are finding the area of this one, area of ABCD, how much it will be? If I am writing this ABCD, विल इट बी L इंटू एच? क्या ये L इंटू एच आएगा?
Yes, sir.
It will be L into H. Correct?
L into
Then
H.
same for this one also. देखो ये जो पीछे वाली साइड है means opposite to this one. This, if I am mentioning this as P, Q, R, S, how much it will be? It will also be L into H. क्या वो भी L into H आएगा? P, Q, R, H, S, L into H. Because that is the opposite wall of this one ना. A B C D अगर हमारी front wall है तो उसके अपोजिट वॉल जो है पी क्यू आर एस है, उसकी भी लेंथ कितनी है एल, हाइट कितनी है ये, तो अगर उस वाले का एरिया रेक्टेंगल का फाइंड आउट करेंगे दैट विल ऑल्सो बी एल इंटू एच. ओके, नाउ इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग द साइड वॉल्स, देखो अभी हमने फ्रंट वॉल एंड बैक वॉल का फाइंड आउट किया. इफ आई एम फाइंडिंग आउट फॉर दिस ए पी एस डी, एरिया ऑफ ए पी एस डी, हाउ मच इट विल बी? Any idea?
H into B.
Yes, it will be B into H, correct? Okay. Then how much for this B, Q, R, C?
Same, sir.
Same, sir.
Yes,
B
it will be
into H.
same B into H, correct? Now, I am having all the area जो 4 walls, मेरे पास 4 walls का area आ गया है. Now I will add it, क्योंकि मेरे को तो क्या चाहिए? At the end I need area of 4 walls combined ना, area of 4 walls. I need it in combined way. So if I will find, I will add all these things. ठीक है, मैं add करता हूँ इनको. देखो, now from all the parts you will see H is there. देखो सबके अंदर H है. So can we take this H common? क्या हम H को common लेके we can write L plus B plus B. See, H is common in both all the parts. You can see H is there, so I have taken H common from all the parts, so I am left with L plus B plus B. So that means it is L H 2 times L plus 2 times B. So you can take this 2 also common now. इस 2 को भी common ले सकते हैं. So it will be 2 into H L plus B. So whenever you are going to find CSA or LSA of a cuboid, what formula you will be using? 2 multiply by H L plus B. This formula you will be using to find the CSA of a what? Cuboid.
Sir, in 8th we learned another.
Okay, so now this is about we have discussed about our CSA है ना, हमने अभी CSA की बात करी है अभी तक. Now if suppose one thing, अगर मैं बात करता हूँ कि मुझे ना भाई टॉप वाला एरिया भी चाहिए. मेरे पास देखो 4 वॉल्स का एरिया है. 4 वॉल्स का एरिया कौन कौन सा है? फर्स्ट वॉल का L इंटू एच, सेकेंड वॉल L इंटू एच, थर्ड वॉल B इंटू एच, फोर्थ वॉल B इंटू एच. दैट मीन्स इफ आई नीड, मैं बोलता हूँ मुझे तो टॉप एंड बॉटम भी चाहिए, देन एरिया ऑफ टॉप इज व्हाट? P Q B A. P Q B A. हाउ मच इट विल बी? L into B. L into B. Okay, correct. Then that means if I am finding for the bottom also, अगर मैं bottom वाला भी find out करूँगा S D C R, it will also be L into B. That means देखो अब एक चीज ध्यान से देखो, I am having L into B, L into B, L into H, L into H, B into H, B into H. If I will be adding all these things, सोचो ध्यान से, अगर मैं ऐड करता हूँ LB, LB, LH, LH, BH, BH, तो देखो मैंने इसमें 4 वॉल्स को भी इंक्लूड कर दिया, मैंने टॉप एंड बॉटम को भी इंक्लूड कर दिया. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? आई एम हैविंग ऑल द सरफेसेज ना, ऑल द सरफेसेज ऑफ दिस क्यूबॉइड. सो व्हाट फॉर्मूला वी विल बी हैविंग? 2 टाइम्स, बिकॉज 2 आई एम टेकिंग कॉमन, 2 टाइम्स LB इज देयर, 2 टाइम्स BH इज देयर and 2 times HL is there. So that means this is the formula we will be using to find the total surface area. अब total surface area find out करना है तो ये formula यूज करेंगे. CS से यूज find out करना है तो ये वाला यूज कर लेंगे. Okay, now just one more thing. Like in the previous question मैंने बोला कि अगर मुझे सिर्फ walls को और ceiling को paint करना है, I want to paint on the walls and ceiling, तो भाई सिंपल है ना
सर, L into B.
कौन
सर्फेस एरिया प्लस
CSA हम लोग निकालेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल बी फाइंडिंग CSA प्लस उसमें हम L into B कर देंगे. देन वी विल बी हैविंग एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स प्लस सीलिंग. अगर हम उसमें प्लस L into B करते हैं ना then we will be having area of 4 walls plus ceiling. So this is what you can do. Now just see this first question we are having. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, 65 centimeter deep is to be made. ठीक है, एक बॉक्स बनाते हैं. Let us make a box. This is the question we will. Okay, suppose this kind of box we are making. Now देखो, अब उसमें ना in the question it is nowhere written that which kind of box is it. ये क्यूब है या क्यूबॉइड है, but by seeing at the dimensions को देख के तुम लोगों को ना खुद ही पता लग जाएगा. You will be able to know it that it is a cuboid because length, breadth and height are given, so you must have that much sense that length, breadth and height are for what? It is for cuboid. Okay,
Cuboid.
so now we will be making this one complete. This is the cuboid we are having. Okay, so we are given with its length is 1.5, breadth is 1.25, so it is 1.5 meter, it is 1.25 meter and height is 65 centimeter. Okay, so yes, now just see, it is opened at the top. ऊपर से वो खुला हुआ है, मतलब ऊपर उसके क्या है, सीलिंग ही नहीं है. इफ आई नेम इट इन द टर्म्स ऑफ रूम ना, रूम की तरह अगर सोचो तो दैट मीन्स इट इज ओपन, ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, बॉक्स इज ओपन. देन इग्नोर द थिकनेस को तो हम इंक्लूड नहीं करते. द एरिया ऑफ द शीट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर मेकिंग द बॉक्स, हमें कितनी शीट चाहिए, कितना इसको बॉक्स को बनाने के लिए. अब सोचो, we are making all the 4 walls and plus we are making this bottom, so that means we will be finding the area when I will be writing here area of sheet required, that will be CSA means curved surface area of the cuboid plus area of bottom, जो उसके नीचे का पार्ट है वो तो हम लोगों को बनाना ही है. नाउ एंड फॉर वन थिंग, वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग कैलकुलेशन योर यूनिट्स शुड बी सेम, है ना, तुम्हारी यूनिट सेम होनी चाहिए. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंसेप्ट. सो दिस इज इन मीटर, दिस इज इन मीटर, दिस 65 centimeter we will convert it in meter. 65 by 100, 0.65 meter. So that means
meter.
Now I can find CSA is 2 into H L plus B plus area of bottom is L into B. So you can calculate now. So it will be 2 multiply H is 0.65, L plus B it will be 1.5 plus 1.25 plus
sir 7.325 meters.
1.5 into 1.25. So now you can multiply, it will be 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 13, 1.30, then 1.5, 1.25, it will be 2.75 plus 15, 5 is 75, 15 2 is 30, 7 37, 3, 15 1 is 15, 3 18. So it will be 1.875. Then you have to multiply.
Sir, this is 7.325, sir.
7.3.
No, sir, 5.4. 325, sir.
Okay.
7.3.
Okay, we will multiply it one. ठीक है, इसको multiply कर देते हैं हम. So it is 1.3, 2.75 multiply by 1.3. So 13 5 is 65. Then 6, 13, 7 jo 91, 97, then 9 carry, 13 2 is 26, 26 plus 9 it will be 35. So it is 3.575, 3.575 plus it is 1.875. So when you will add 1.875, 5, 5, 10.
5.45.
Okay, you are getting 5.45 meter. So that is the area of the sheet that is required for this box to be made, है ना. इस box को
Sir,
बनाने
meter-
के लिए हाँ, it will be meter square because we have find out the area, so it will be meter square. 5.45 meter square. That is the area of the sheet required to make the box. Okay. Then the second thing. So we have find out the area of the sheet required. See, two important things in this chapter that you need to remember. देखो ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी है, ध्यान रखना इनको. First thing, your calculation. देखो दो चीज़ें. First, calculation should be correct and you should have a fast calculation process, है ना. थोड़ा सा जल्दी करने की कोशिश भी करना है because sometimes in calculation you take too much time. So first thing, calculation should be correct, है ना, बिल्कुल ठीक होना चाहिए वो. Second, it should be fast. It should not take that much time कि तुम लोग ना 5 का टेबल भी सोच सोच के लिख रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Then second thing about units. हाँ, कैलकुलेशन यूनिट्स, दो चीज़ों का बहुत ध्यान रखना है बिकॉज इन दिस चैप्टर वेयर एवर यू विल बी लूजिंग योर मार्क्स ना, इट विल बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन दीज टू थिंग्स अबाउट कैलकुलेशन एंड यूनिट्स. ओके, सो ट्राई टू बी मीन्स करेक्ट ऑन दीज टू थिंग्स. इन दोनों चीज़ों पे तो बिल्कुल ठीक रहना. Now in the second part of the question, see, first part we are already done with the area of the sheet that is required. The second part is what is the cost of sheet. See how much the rate is given to us for 1 meter square. We need rupees 20. That is the rate. So we will be writing the rate given is rupees 20 per meter
109
square.
rupees.
109,
So,
sir.
how much cost it will be? 5.45 multiplied by 20. So you will multiply 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 9 and 2 5 is 10. So 109 rupees. That is the total cost of the sheet that is required to make this box. So again the common thing, you have to see which area you are finding. You are finding the area of the walls, you are finding the area of the top, you are finding total area. So these things you need to remember. Okay, let us take one more question. हम एक और question की बात करते हैं. Second one is very simple. You are given with the length, breadth and height of a room. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling. This kind of question we have already done. You have to find the area of the walls plus ceiling. So you can do it. Second question, you will be able?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see the third question. The floor of a rectangular hole has perimeter 250 meter. Now just see this word rectangular hole. जब हम बात करते हैं ना किसी rectangular shape की, that means we are talking about a cuboid. Yes, correct. Whenever we are having a rectangular 3-dimensional figure, we are talking about a cuboid. So we are given with, let us take this figure once again. हम एक होल बना लेते हैं फटाफट. Suppose this is the rectangular hole I am having. Now this one, this is the rectangular hole suppose we are having. We are given in the question that its perimeter of its floor, perimeter of the floor, it is given. How much it is given to us? 250 meter. Okay, so we can write 250 meter. Now just think in your mind, this length, it is breadth, it is height. If we are talking about only floor, हम अगर सिर्फ floor की बात करते हैं, we are not talking about any other thing. Which kind of shape this floor is having?
Rectangle.
It is having a rectangular shape. That means what will be the perimeter of this rectangle? What will be the
Length
formula?
into breadth.
Plus 3.
Yes, it will be 2L plus B. That means 2L plus B. The value of this one is given to us. It is given as 250 meter. I hope it is clear why I am writing it as 2L plus B. because we are given with the perimeter of this floor, and you know the perimeter of a rectangular is having the formula 2L plus B, so that means I am taking it equal to 250 because it is already given. So now let us read. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000. See what we are given with. We are given with cost, we are given with rate also. So if I will be writing here cost of painting the 4 walls, that is given rupees 15,000. That this is the cost of painting the 4 walls, 15,000, and rate is also given. Rate of painting, it is given rupees 10 per meter square. Am I correct? It is rupees 10. Yes, rupees 10 per meter square, and 15,000 is the cost. Now just see in your mind. देखो जब हम cost find out करते हैं, whenever we find cost, what we do? We multiply the area by rate. Do we do the
Sir,
same
now
thing?
we should divide.
हाँ. When we find cost, then we multiply the area by rate. But in this question, we are given with cost. Cost is already given 15,000. You are not given with the area into rate. Rate is already given. How much? 10. So 15,000. You will take this 10 in division, will be equal to area. So it will be 0 to 0. So how much area you are getting? Area you are getting 1500 meter square. Now for which part this area is? ये वाला area है कौन से वाले part का? This is the area of the 4 walls, because see cost is given for 4 walls only. जो cost दिया हुआ है ना, cost of painting, it is given for 4 walls. So that means you are given with the area of 4 walls now. Area of 4 walls. It is already you are having how much? 1500 meter square. And you know the area formula to find the area of 4 walls. तुम लोगों को formula तो पता ही है. It is 2 into H L plus B. So that means it is equal to 1500 now. 2 into H L plus B will be equal to 1500 because it is the area of 4 walls. So, and see, you are already having the value of 2 into L plus B above. Just see this one, this line. 2 into L plus B, you are having 250. So that means in 2 multiply by L plus B, in place of this one, I will be writing what? 250 and will be equal to 1500. So H will be equal to how much? It will be 1500 divided by 250. 0 to 0 cancelled. 25 1
6 meters.
So that means H we are getting at 6 meter. And now you see your question, you need to find the height of the hole. H you need to find. You have already find out the H, that is 6 meter. So just simply you need to understand the basic terms to find any solution, like perimeter of a rectangle, how you are finding the area when you are given with cost and rate, then what is the area of 4 walls, what is the formula you will be using. So these are the common things you will be using. Any doubt?